everyone, welcome to Part1. My name is Lida. So in this video, we will study the vocabulary words from lesson 27, Nicodemus. And in this video, we have 5 words to learn together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is enter. Enter. Spell E-N-T-E-R. Enter. For example, please enter the room. Our class is starting now. Enter. The second word is therefore. Therefore. Spell T-H-E-R-E-F-O-R-E. Therefore. For example, those people have the umbrella up. Therefore, it must be raining. Therefore. The third word is by. By. Spell B-U-Y. By. For example, Sotheany buys a new bicycle. By. The fourth word is sell. Sell. Spell S-E-L-L. Sell. For example, my mother sells many of fruit in the market. And the last one is seller. Seller. Spell S-E-L-L-E-R. Seller. For example, my aunt is a seller. She is selling things for many years. Seller. Now, please repeat the words after me one more time. Enter. Enter. Therefore. Therefore. Buy. Buy. Sell. Sell. Seller. Seller. Well done everyone, thank you so much for spending time watching this video, and I hope you can remember all these words, and don't forget to make sentence or sentences by using the 5 words that we have learned. If you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny, please click the link down below. I will see you next video. Bye bye, God bless you.